Do you know how to link your HTML document to your CSS document? If you don't, do not worry. 'Cause that's exactly what I will be covering today. Hello all and welcome to the 1 Minute series. I am your host, the Virtual Thug 9. So to get straight into it, go to your text editor and get everything ready. Now, inside the head tag, type in link, rel, equals, quotation marks, style sheet. Then, space, and href, quotation marks again, and your CSS document's name with the extension, that is with the .css. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.